Welcome to Reminder 3B, which is all about advanced maps. Now, the reason we're doing this is because in some of the Level 2 exam questions, they may ask you to plan a route from A to B. So we're going to use a question here, which is about someone who's wanting to find a map or diagram to go from somewhere to another place. So find a map or diagram that shows clearly how to get to the National Portrait Gallery from Charing Cross Station. Now, what they're trying to do is to see whether you can do the right searches, okay, and produce the right information. So let's think about this for a second. So the National Portrait Gallery, okay, from Charing Cross Station. Now there might be another National Portrait Gallery, another Charing Cross Station. It's obviously, it sounds like it's in London, but it could be elsewhere. And they want to know, they want you to to pick out that the fact it's in London. So if we go onto Google, okay, and we go to Google Maps, okay, so we go to Google Maps, okay. What we need to do is in the search box you need to put in National Portrait. Now is it, you've got to read the question, is it how to get to National from Charing, oh right, so it's Charing Cross Station to the National Portrait, right, so read the question. So it's Charing Cross Station in London to, okay, and always put the to, so just write it as you want it to, the National Portrait Gallery in London, which is St Martin's Place, okay, and it's just disappeared there. So there we go. So we can see here that we've got the search, okay, so we're going to put the initial search result in here. We're going to put that in our evidence. So we're going to type in initial search. I spelled initial wrong, okay, click, okay, and he wants to, so look at the back of the question. Shows how to get okay, shows how to get a map or diagram to get the National Portrait from Charing Cross. Right, I imagine he's walking, but you could do, we've got the road map here, haven't we? So you can tell here, see this icon here, roughly, you could do, it doesn't say by foot, so let's do one. Okay, so walking is 4 minutes. Okay, there we go. So we could do a print screen of that. So if it says it's walking, just do a walking map. But in this case, we don't know. Initial search, that's the walk. Okay, this is by car. Okay, and we can go and do one by bus. It's just to cover all bases. Okay, so via bus, transit. Don't actually think there is a bus route there, but anyways, so let's go and put this in. So by bus. Okay, so that's covered us in showing the evidence, and we can clearly show, it clearly shows the route. So it's not a map, it's a route here. Okay, so we can see here that there are the route by walking, or the most direct route there. Okay, and we've also got the car route, and we've also got the other route as well. And that shows you that you've chosen London in both situations, and that's perfect evidence for advanced map. Just make sure that you read the question, make sure that you give them what they're asking, and maybe put an extra screenshots in there just to make sure that you've covered all your bases. Okay, good luck with that one.